Hello. So it's now 2 weeks and 2 days since I had surgery. Yesterday I had the staples out and my wound is healing really well, so it's really nice to have the dressing off and not have a lopsided hip. I'm walking more each day. I'm in my scrubs, that's pulling on there, isn't it? Because I'm seeing patients this evening, just a couple of patients, and then some more patients tomorrow. My rehab is going from strength to strength. I'm kind of freestanding most of the time in the house now. It's just when I go out that I am more careful, and that's not just about me but about people around me as well. As soon as I start filming, I've got 2 dogs around my ankles, which is not ideal because I was just going to show you something and now I can't. And let me just move the dog, I don't want to trip over her. So this is for my Zumba crew, and if you're a Zumba member, then you'll just know. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, and out, 2, 3, 4, and shoulders, 2, 3, 4. I am marching, you just can't see my feet. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, and out, 2, 3, 4, and shoulders, 2, 3, 4, and over. We go, 1 and 2, and push to the side. 1 and 2, and push to the side. 3 and 4, and push. And 3 and 4, and push. We go, scoop and scoop, and 1, 2, 3, 4, scoop and scoop, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Does that look familiar to anybody? I certainly hope so. I am coming back soon. Mwah.